You guys know what your first words were?
Isn't every single baby like either mom or dad, right? Like, what else do they say?
What do you think orphans say, dog?
Caregiver.
Caretaker.
Hello, caregiver.
It's just whoever the worker is. Catherine. Oh my god, his first words. Jennifer.
What do orphans like do during the day? Like watch TV and shit?
Cry.
Oh, this call's fucked, bro.
Dude, we're a little bit extra edgy today, aren't we?
Oh, we've